The VAD307 brilliantly merges the feel of an acoustic kit with electronic versatility, featuring shallow-depth wood shells for a compact yet authentic stage presence. Newly developed thin-profile cymbals, including a responsive 14-inch ride and two 12-inch crashes, swing and respond with a natural motion that is incredibly satisfying to play. At its core, the updated TD17 sound module delivers exceptionally rich and dynamic drum tones, drawing from Roland's high-end Prismatic Sound Modeling technology. Customizing your sound is remarkably intuitive thanks to a user-friendly interface that allows for deep editing of each drum and cymbal. Integrated Bluetooth connectivity makes practice sessions more engaging, allowing you to wirelessly stream audio and play along with your favorite tracks. This comprehensive bundle ensures you're ready to play immediately, including a convenient stick bag, 3 pairs of drumsticks, and other essential accessories.